Welcome back. I have on my do-rag because I'm trying to secure these waves, but not really. Whatever. Oh shit, I'm shining. Okay. I feel like I'm gonna lose a nail trying to do this. These are some new little baby moles that I got, and I was trying something out because I have a workshop event on Wednesday. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, baby. I'm about to use my teeth, Joy, because this nail's about to pop off, and I don't see. You see it? You see it? It's about to pop off, and I don't have any more stickies. Oh, come on. Oh, look at this. Yo, this is dope. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. All right, come on, guys. Come out nicely, please. Please, and thanks. Oh, this one's purple, like my dress. Oh, come out. The wall, I fingernail will come off. Oh yeah, this is how I'm doing these from now on. All of these are getting this kind of look. Do you see the detail on? Oh, hell yeah. Oh, I know Sid is gonna love this. Oh, come on. I want this video to be less than 3 minutes, okay? So it can be a YouTube short. Come on. Oh, this one is giving like Miami Hurricanes. Oh my god, damn, the nail slipped and okay, it's off. It's off. Whatever. Put this in my bra because D's gonna be there, so you know, yeah. All right, so that, and then this last one now. Oh, this is annoying. Oh. It's like pink with like hints of... Yo, I did that. These look damn good. I'm obsessed. Look at my little skull babies. I love this. Oh, I'm gonna make some that glow in the dark. Ah, I'm excited. Okay, so that's that. And let me just take this out since I'm here. Anything else need to come out? I have like one more. That don't look too great, but it was a freebie. I was just trying something out with it. We'll see though. I could probably make something work with it, but I'm just gonna leave it at their establishment so them can know some of the things. And this I did for the coochie. Okay, yeah, that's hard. Perfect. So I'm gonna use that to put a coochie on there and bring this with me. Oh, this one is not an unmolding, but it's a reveal. It's on there. I just need to drill a hole and we're ready to go. Oh damn, we're over 3 minutes. Anyways, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless, and whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you for watching this pointless unmolding. Bye.